Write a Java program to divide a number and print the remainder. Define the class name is remainder. Define the main method. Here I have taken int as a data type. There are three variables n1, n2 and r. So as soon as the interpreter reads this statement, memory for variable n1 is reserved and value 45 is stored in it. Next, memory for variable n2 is reserved and value 6 will be stored in it. And memory for variable r will be reserved. Next statement is, here we actually find the remainder r equal to n1 invokes the value 45. This percentage sign is called as modulo operator, and use of this modulo operator is it divides first number by second number and calculates the remainder. N2 invokes value 6 stored in it. So this modulo operator divides number 45 by 6 and gives you the remainder. This is simple division. 6 sevens are 42 and the remainder is 3. 3 will be stored in the memory space reserved for variable r. To print the output, we invoke system.out.println. Your output looks like this. Remainder equal to will be printed as it is and variable r will invoke value 3.